chicken?
I grabbed it.
You grabbed it just like that?
Look, I got chicken. Well, I had to run after it.
You had to run after it a little bit?
But I kind of had to walk.
Yeah.
Because
So what do chickens do for us as humans? What do chickens do?
lay eggs.
Okay. You like eggs? You do?
Chicken can. Okay. This one's panda.
You're running it so you away this side.
There you go. That's awesome. Good job. Okay.
Otherwise known as American Easter eggers or just Easter eggs. They lay a dark pink, blue, green, and green pink. And they talk. And when they grow up, they get fluffy. Okay, just fluffy cheeks go around. Yeah.
Scooter loves to be petted on the head. Look at him.
He is in heaven.
Yes, he is in heaven.
Gently and quietly. Remember when you're in there.
Yeah, like if you do this up in the air, you'll be like.
So cool.
So Jerry, why did the goats headbutt?
To show who's boss.
Is that why they do it? Really? That's awesome. And they're playing?
Hold on, guys.
There you go. Hold on to her.
Hey, bring the water in.
Let's see. Oh, look how cute. Hold on to her tight.
Don't struggle.
She's like, what the heck is going on?
Baby, yeah, that's That's the one that keeps on going into the hay.
Can you guys believe you get to sit here and hold a baby goat?
Baby,
I mean, how cool is that?
I'll do it. Me and
What are you going to go do?
get fresh water.
Don't pour it on your head. Get fresh, clean water and bring it down. Can you get a picture of baby in there?
She's gotten even bigger since Saturday.
Yeah.
Doing good.
When they're
Oh, you can see the baby's head.
between birth and 8 weeks, they more than
Show off. You're a show off, buddy. Okay, so what are you guys doing?
Getting some feed.
Some feed for the goats?
I wouldn't have to get
Awesome. Okay.
Well, it can be because of the sugar that's in it, but their stomachs don't tolerate corn. That's right.
What you doing with Otis?
Is that?
What are you doing? What are you doing with Otis? You're headbutting him?
I like riding.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where.
Aren't they cute?
Go ahead, Rose.
It's not that good for him? No? Corn isn't? I thought corn would be. Okay, so what's good for him?
And let him come to you, and then you push against it. And that will get him engaged with you to play. Hold on, I need you to wait for him. That's right, you're his playmate. You're his playmate, he wants to play. ago?
What did they look like?
He was small.
Yeah, did you feed him?
Then we know everyone got them.
Yeah, everybody did feed him. Did you both feed him? What about the bunnies? Do you guys like bunnies?
Yeah.
You do?